Device management involves installing and updating operating systems and application patches, managing user accounts, and maintaining up-to-date security on all end-user devices. User device management helps you remain flexible while maintaining security in a world where remote employees and personal device integration is the norm. More devices means more connections to the internet, increasing your exposure. In order to keep your network secure, controls need to be in place. AWS provides tools to help. IoT Core lets connected devices securely interact with cloud applications and other devices. AWS IoT Device Defender continuously monitors and audits your IoT configurations to make sure they aren't deviating from security best practices. IoT Device Management better enables secure onboarding, organization, monitoring, and remote management of IoT devices at scale. IoT Things Graph simplifies connection to different devices and cloud services to build IoT applications. These are just some of the services to help with your device management needs. To learn more, go to aws.amazon.com/security.